Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Cassius and welcome to Jamaica Social, the tech side of Jamaica Social. And I know you're back here wanting to hear more, as I promised, from the HSU VTF-2 MK5 subwoofer, and that's their entry-level subwoofer that has kind of increased a bit. Gonna be running through a scene or so from John Wick. These clips are going to be short, guys, for copyright reasons and other issues. I also have A Quiet Place. I'm going to be playing a bit from that. I also have Godzilla. I also have Midway. We'll be doing a bit from that. And I also have Hacksaw Ridge. And of course, Fury, Brad Pitt. You can comment below and tell me what you think about these movies generally, and how do they sound on your system, and do you think they're awesome demo material. But that's basically what we're going to be running as this is our rig, recording from this. Gonna be getting glimpses of it on the TV. I will not be showing much, and I'll try to get as close as I can to show the excursion of the subwoofer, which is right there. That's the HSU VTF-2 MK5. So let's get going. Okay, guys, we're gonna be starting with some Dolby Atmos demos, and just to let you know that the receiver, which is a Onkyo THX 777, is at -45, and the subwoofer is at the 12 o'clock positions.
You won't just hear glass break. You'll hear a slightly battered and bruised baseball fly past your right ear as a cloud of debris blooms and shards of glass trail overhead. Just before gravity takes hold, scattering chaos to the four corners of the room, while the sound of a scared little kid running like hell fades away in the distance.
tank, it's a goddamn tank. What the fuck is it? Hey, 12 o'clock, 800 yards. I see it, it's a goddamn tiger. What the fuck is smoking in space? Let's go, Gordon, smoke out, Gordon. Hey, unwind!
We have to get to the crossroads. We've got to get past them.
Let's get the fuck out of here, let's go! Unless he drives himself in a shit-filled ditch, he's our problem. Hit that son of a bitch! One more slow! Unwind! Shoot that fucker!
Fire when ready.
Stop, 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 stop! He's coming out!
Firefight. Over, AP.
Hit him! Unwind! Alright, pause it!
Barrel's on.
What do you want, Tom?
Over, AP. Smash it.
You're clear, boy! AP, 500 yards! Fire!
Visible. Get your gun.
Again!
Fuck, great.
What do you mean, huh? Unwind!
Down. Gun.
Oh, God! God damn it! Fuck! Hit him! Unwind!
I can see it. Fire.
They got Peterson!
So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you. You've seen a number of demos. You've heard a lot from this sub. So please tell me below, what do you think of this sub? It's the HSU VTF-2 MK5. It's HSU Research's budget entry into their subwoofer line. Tell me what you think. You've seen these movies. Tell me what you think. Did you enjoy this demo? Let me know. Please, of course, subscribe to my channel, and we can have more fun here in the world of audio and home theater. And Cassio saying, stay tuned.